Thank you, Vivian. Hi, I'm Kevin. Welcome to Viet factory. Let's start with glass bottle. Now, glass bottle is become more and more popular because it's easy to recycle and eco-friendly. Glass bottle is suitable for fruit juice drink, basil seed, chai seed drink, coconut water, or even milk and coffee drink. The capacity for glass bottle is around 8,000 bottles per hour for each line. Not only have the basic size 280 milliliter for basil seed drink, we are developing for more packaging with a variety of size from 2,050 milliliter and up to 1 liter. You will have more options to create the best product with us. The convenience of aluminum can and the long shelf life up to 2 years. The can drink has become our flagship product, especially with the Vinut brand. Now, Vinut fruit juice already present in more than 100 countries around the world. The aluminum can is suitable for all kinds of beverage, from fruit juice, energy drink, coconut water, aloe vera, even milk and coffee drink. And the capacity is 10,800 cans per hour. Now, Viet factory, we have the 4 lines for different sizes. The PET bottle production line, on the step from cleaning, filling, and capping is completely automatically. The PET bottle is more suitable for fruit juice drink, coconut water, and aloe vera drink. Now we have a variety of size from 500 milliliter, 1 liter, 1.5 liter, and the big size like 2 liter. The capacity is 20,000 bottles per hour. The product in PET bottle has a shelf life from 12 months to 18 months. With the desire to bring the best product and service, we are constantly improving our facility. As you can see here, it's a fully automatic packaging line. On the step is do automatically. From the print, the date, and the batch number here, packaging the can into the 6-pack and pack the 6-pack into the carton. All is automatic. The capacity is 2,500 cartons per hour, ensuring the high demand of aluminum cans. Thank you for joining the factory tour. I hope to give you the overview about the factory, what we have and how we do the production.
Yeah, after all, on behalf of Viet Food and Beverage, we are always welcome you come to visit Vietnam and our factory. We are strong believe that you will be enjoy your time in Vietnam with our cultural and food specialist, our service.
Contact us on the website vinut.com.vn or alibaba.com. We are available 24/7. Thank you.